Welcome to the channel. This is going to be a reading for sign of Libra. All that you need to know about your person moving forward in this week. So let's see what our Libra is going through. One card for what our Libra is going through. I hope you guys are doing well. You have a card already. With the Justice card right now, you're trying to balance your life. You're trying to even cut out things or situations, connections, friendship, whatever is not working for you. You're basically just cutting it out of your life because you want your balance now. Okay. One more card for what a Libra is going through. This is very much a Libra card, Justice card. So you're trying to balance out your life, trying to find the truth, and possibly make your life much more easier. You do not want to deal with any sort of drama. What else? What else? Okay. With Four of Swords in the reverse, right now, if you are waiting and possibly taking the time away to possibly heal yourself, possibly get back your energy, then you're not going to wait or not going to wait on anyone to return or something. I see you possibly moving on with life, or possibly not really wanting to stay bothered with the past connection. Yes, a few of you, I do believe some of you guys might not be getting proper sleep, but that's fine, right? We go through shit sometimes and we get over it, right? So what else? We have another card. With it, we have the Hierophant card, which tells me that right now you're totally focused on your own self. That is your own personal growth, your own image, your own career, your own family. It's all about doing the right thing and doing what possibly will go long way. Some of you might even be focused on a long-term committed relationship, and if this person cannot give you that, I believe you're going to find it elsewhere. You're going to possibly manifest another connection in your life. Okay, not all of you would want another connection because not all of you have a toxic relationship. But for those who are in a very toxic relationship and you know that this person isn't going to change much, or isn't going to want to change much for you, I believe you have a new connection coming in for you. Okay, one more card for what is to come for Libra for the next 7 days. What is to come for Libra for the next 7 days, please? We have the Tower card. So whatever you are holding on to that you were not supposed to hold on to is kind of breaking free now. Okay, you are not going to be able to hold on to it regardless whether you want to hold on to it or whether you do not want to hold on to it. It is going to get away because it is not supposed to stay. Whatever that is not supposed to stay in your life is going to get away this coming week. Whatever friendships, whatever connections, whatever relationships that were not meant to go forward in your life is possibly breaking free. There's going to be a Tower moment coming in your life which is going to help you clean out a lot of mess, a lot of drama. Okay, in terms of that, what is your person up to? What is your person up to? Okay. Your person, I believe, sits guilty for being too selfish. Okay, majorly being too selfish. They look at themselves as being extremely selfish. Okay, when I do such readings for Libra or whichever sign, I do it for the sign that is being affected. So when I'm doing a reading for a Libra sign, I'm doing it for Libras who are affected. I know they are cross watchers and those get shitty mad saying comments like no, Libra is the cheater. Darling, I don't think that you can come to a Libra video and expect me to talk shit about Libra, right? I'm going to talk about Libras who are being affected. I'm not going to talk about Libras who are playing other people. That doesn't mean Libras are not playing other people. Every sign plays other people, right? So right now my readings are all about Libra who are being affected. Okay, so regarding your person, I believe, sorry for the time, I believe your person was kind of like talking to someone else. They had a thing going on somewhere else. They could be flirting and they are very guilty for it. They find themselves extremely selfish, and they are very sorry for doing this to you. Okay, Seven of Swords in the reverse is a very guilt-filled card. Okay, and this person possibly wants to come back to you and tell you why it all happened. Okay, hopefully. Right. Yeah, let's see. Like what else? With Six of Pentacles, I believe this person wants to balance this connection with you. In the past, this person rejected you or possibly walked away from you or even chose another connection over you. Okay. A top card we have is a Devil card. Why is this person returning, Spirit? If this is a past person, why is this person returning? They are returning because the star is upright and the Queen of Cups is in the reverse. They could not find the same sort of connection they had with you. Even if they were talking to someone else, they could not emotionally connect with the other person. With the star card, they see that what they had with you is something they want to hold on to. Okay, they want to possibly heal the connection and possibly look forward to it. They're coming back to possibly fix the connection with you. We have the star card here. Okay, one card for their intentions now. What are their true intentions towards Libra spirit? What are their true intentions towards Libra? Okay. However, I do feel that with the Queen of Pentacles here, this person possibly very strongly in fact is wanting to see if they can find commitment with you. Okay, in the past this person was not really giving you any sort of attention. Even if you messaged them, I do not see them really reacting the way you wanted them to react. For some of you, you even did not get a reply. Okay, one more card. What action are they wanting to take towards Libra now? What action they possibly want to take towards Libra now? Okay, we see two cards here directly. We have the Emperor and we have Two of Cups. Darling, to be very honest, this person wants this connection. This person wants you back in their life. But the problem is this person is still coming off as an Emperor. Emperor is someone who doesn't wish to compromise too much. Okay, they want the connection, but they'll not really want to do much about it. Okay, with King of Pentacles top card, we have Five of Swords. So still, even though they are fearful of losing you and shit and this and that, the ego is still very much getting in the way. The pride is still very much getting in the way. Okay, so what are they wanting to offer you now? What are they wanting to offer you? With Three of Wands, for now, this person wants to see where things can go with you. Okay, I'm not going to say that this person will want commitment and they're going to get married with you in the next 3 months. No. Okay, I say that this person is wanting to look forward to you for now. Okay, one card for what are they possibly hiding from Libra, please? What are they possibly hiding from Libra, please? Okay. Ten of Cups, World. Death. This person is looking forward to have a family with you. Okay, they sense an unfinished business with you. They know that this isn't over. Even they might not say this out loud to you, but deep down this person is very much wanting this with you. Okay, in terms of what do they look forward to now? What do they look forward to now? See, we have two cards. They do not know how you're going to react. Okay, they do not know if you're going to even accept them. With the Sun in the reverse, they feel that you are not really wanting to hold on to them now. Okay, with Four of Wands, they do want to look forward to a committed relationship. But the Sun is in the reverse. Why is the Sun in the reverse, Spirit? Why is the Sun in the reverse? Okay. I believe right now they fear you not choosing them. Okay, Judgment in the reverse. So they feel like you might not give them a second chance. The reason being them being too selfish or possibly like only thinking about their own self, like all this while in this relationship. Okay, like like they were always choosing themselves. Selfish is one thing, but always choosing themselves is a total another, right? One can be selfish, but at times one could also care about the other person. But this person was an extremist, like a narcissist, right? So I believe that with Nine of Cups and Knight of Swords, this person is very much wanting this connection with you. In terms of their feeling, Spirit, how do they truly feel for Libra? In terms of their feelings, how do they truly feel for Libra, please? With Ten of Wands, bottom card we have, top card we have Queen of Wands. So these two cards tell me that no matter what you guys have been through, okay, this might be that for some of you the past 10 weeks have been extremely chaotic, full of drama, very draining, okay, heavy. yet this person wants to fix this with you. Okay, when I say the last 10 weeks, I believe it's almost like 2.5 months, right? Things have been up and down since November, December, the later part of November, the and the full whole month of December maybe. Okay, so yes, I very much feel that this person is wanting to fix this with you. If this is a new person, Spirit, how do they truly feel for Libra? If this is a new person, new person is very much interested in you. They're wanting to take things slow. I'm not going to say that the new person is wanting to have a committed relationship. The new person is basically exploring with you, also wanting to explore sexually with you. Okay, but the old person, the past person, or like what are they up to? The one Libra was in separation with, what are they up to, Spirit? Yeah, this person is very much wanting to reunite, but they're going to come off as very much as a friend. Okay, I believe they might start off trying to just friend zone you in some which way, but yes, do not really get me wrong here. They might really come off as friend because they do not want to be rejected as a lover. Like, they fear you rejecting them. On top of them, and we have Ace of Wands. They do very much want a new beginning with you. Okay, so by the end of the month, Spirit, what can Libras possibly expect in terms of action? What can Libras possibly expect in terms of action? We have Page of Cups, we have King of Swords, we have Four of Pentacles, we have Ace of Pentacles. Okay, so if you guys were waiting for this person to apologize to you, I believe that is not coming in. Okay, with King of Swords, I still see this person behaving detached, holding on to you, but on top of the mind, we have Ace of Pentacles. They do very much want a new beginning, but it's their fucking problem if they have issues, possibly letting their fucking ego down and possibly apologizing and doing it the right way. They expect you to take them back having this fucking attitude. I mean, that is not going to work, right? I don't know, darling. I really do not know. With Queen of Swords, this person is coming off very detached. Yeah. One card for what is going on in their life currently. What is going on in their life currently? Page of Wands, Two of Swords, Seven of Pentacles. So if this person was trying to reconnect elsewhere, that did not work for them. That was a total failure. It gave them no possible outcome. Okay, with Seven of Pentacles, they could have wasted a significant amount of time on that other individual, but nothing worked for them. Okay, so one card for what are they wanting from Libras now? What are they possibly wanting from Libras now? One more card, please. They do not want you to give up on them. They very much want you to work this out with them. Okay, possibly reconnect and fix this connection. They want to go a long way. Okay, it's not like they're coming back for a fling or something, and they are extremely restless over the situation. What do they think Libra is up to? What do they think Libra is up to? Yeah, with Page of Pentacles, they feel Libra is possibly talking to someone else or is on the way of starting a new relationship. With Strength in the reverse, they feel like Libra is tired of them. You are possibly having no strength to deal with their crap anymore. Top card with the Lovers card, they feel you're going to reject them. Okay, one more card. For how do they view Libra now? How do they possibly view Libra now? They view you as someone that got away or is getting away. Okay, they view you as someone who's got away or is getting away or is possibly trying to move on from them. Okay, one last card for what can my dear Libras expect throughout the week. Okay, the person who broke your heart is returning back to you, but the problem is this person is still not going to try a lot harder to fix this with you. Okay, I believe they will try, but it is not something that is going to make you believe that yes, this person has changed. Oh my god, this person is madly in love with me again. No, I still see them trying to come off very practically, very detached. I mean, you're dealing with a fucking Libra, God's sake, okay? If you wanted to come forward towards a Libra, you gotta be emotional. You gotta show them that you are still up for this in the right way. You can't be bloody practical about it and want a Libra to accept you in their life. I believe Libra has a lot of attention going for them, and I do not really believe that Libra is gonna chase anyone, at least for the next 7 days, okay? So let's take love messages from your person. Love messages from your person. What does the Libra person want to say to Libra now? I'm going to be doing a short reading today, like couple of them. So all those who are interested could reach out to me on Instagram, Libra Vibes Only, and possibly book one for yourself. It's going to be a mini read. Okay, I have a lot of respect for you. I'm grateful for you. I have a lot of respect for you. I'm grateful for you. I still love you. I don't want to burden you. So this person feels like if they come back, they'll possibly burden you or possibly make you go through a lot of shit, a load of crap. Okay, never thought this connection would mean so much. Last card we have is I need your attention. Okay, so this is your reading. I really request all of you people, Libras, that if it resonates, only if it resonates, please hit the like button. Please make my video possibly get more reach, because that's how YouTube works. That's how the fucking algorithm works. If you like the video, it gets to more people and that possibly helps me get more reach and possibly more growth. So if you feel I'm worthy of more likes, please do like the video. All those who want a personal reading could go on my website and book one for yourself. If it's a long read that you want, if you want a short energy update, then you could reach me out on Instagram on Libra Vibes Only. It's going to be a short read. Depending on the situation, I'll charge you through PayPal. It's going to be delivered within, I believe, 4 to 6 days. Yeah, but through Instagram. Okay, I do not work like other apps. And if it's a long reading, please reach me out on my website and book one for yourself. On website, the waiting phase is around 10 to 18 days, depending on the reading. Okay, so yeah, thank you so much and see you soon. And please do consider hitting the like button, guys, and please follow me on Instagram, Libra Vibes Only. I do post a lot of updates there, or am planning to post a lot of updates there. There's also a free giveaway reading that's going to be coming up this by the end of the month. So I'm going to choose one alternate subscriber or a follower through Instagram or through YouTube, through the feed or through the notification. So see that you comment, like, and possibly have been following my channel. Thank you so much and see you soon. Cheers.